the school shadows,
where the children play.
something negative stands up,
Whispering a voice of shame.
it's coming from the dark side. Let me have a say.
There are voices, rising voices. There are voices.
We need to find a way to break this chain and let the people's voices rise again.
It's time to stand up, the kindness reign. Listen up, 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 don't let me down.
The bully's words stopping in my heart, but there is someone speaking up, standing up.
They're coming to the light with faces high. They're flying, they're reaching for the sky.
With open hands,